Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll explain how to prepare your membership data for import into Office R&D. Use the file from your onboarding plan. After preparing companies and members, move to the next sheet. It's for validation and helps spot issues for a smooth import. Column B shows the monthly billing plan name, and column J shows the location. Export this data from the billing module in your Office R&D account. Under Billing Plans, filter for the monthly type. Memberships can only be created with a monthly recurring plan assigned to the customer. Export the data using this button and then copy it into the sheet. When you update this sheet, continue to the next to list your memberships. The company and member drop-downs pull information from the first and second sheets. The file will highlight in red any mismatch that you'd need to fix. Next, select the service based on the monthly billing plan, pulled from the previous sheet. Yellow highlighted cells show required data that's missing. Don't fill in column D, it's autofilled to check if the plan's location matches the membership location. If they differ, the import won't pass validation. The membership defaults to the plan's name but can be edited since it appears on the customer's invoice and may need to be different. The membership location is filled automatically. It uses the company's location if a company is selected, or the member's location if a member is selected. Membership start dates are pulled from the first two sheets, syncing with the selected company or member. Adjust the date if needed, but ensure it's not earlier than the customer's start date to pass import. Even though it's auto-filled, if the first or second sheet is missing data, like no start date for our freelancer, this field will remain blank, and you'd need to fix the first two sheets respectively. In the next column, add an end date if the customer has requested to cancel this membership. In column I, enter the membership price. Use numbers only. Finally, in column J, enter the quantity of the service the client will pay for. Some quick tips before we wrap up. When assigning an office membership to a company, don't add rows for each employee. All company members share the benefits automatically. Additionally, leave the member name empty when using a native door access integration, so access is granted to all company members, not just that person. If a membership price increases over time, create a row for each pricing period. For example, Company A's office membership consists of 2 periods where the price increases with $500 after their first year. This means the first period should have an end date, and the next period should start the day after. So we need to manually update this cell's value. In our case, this would be 2021, the 1st of January. Repeat this for each period. Columns A to F would stay the same for this membership. You'd update G, H, and I. That was our quick guide to preparing your membership's data for import. For more detailed guides, visit our Help Center. Thanks for watching.